Whether you're building them for yourself, friends and family, or as a business, cutting boards and serving boards are booming right now. Woodpeckers offers everything you need to create stunning boards in a variety of styles and sizes. The process starts with getting your board flat. If you don't have a planer wide enough, or you're building in-grain cutting boards, Woodpeckers benchtop board mills safely and accurately mill your boards flat using a router and a spoil board bit. We offer two sizes. Both handle stock from 3/4 of an inch to 3 inches in thickness. The original benchtop board mill will mill 15 inches wide, and the XL goes up to 24 inches. We have router bits for all types of cutting board operations. Milling your boards flat, pattern routing, cutting juice grooves, cutting finger grooves, milling pockets, and softening the edge of your board. And check out our new templates. Our two-piece templates have an outside profile and a handle template in one piece, with a separate juice groove template in the middle. We have two sizes, 10 3/4 by 17.5 with dual handles, and 8 inches by 13 inches with a finger hole. If you're into natural edge boards, we have a handle template that works with almost any width. And we have a template to mill pockets to locate ramekins, bowls, and crackers in your charcuterie boards. All of our cutting board products are available individually. Or we have two bundle and save packages that include a board mill, a selection of router bits, templates, and even our favorite double-face tape for your template work. We even have pre-milled lumber ready to glue up and route into your favorite board style and shape. Whether you're ready to build your very first board or you're deep into the business, Woodpeckers has the tools and supplies you need for cutting board excellence.